Now I've given it some time. This is a continuation of my comparison between the spyderco honeybee and the leatherman style. Now, as a knife, which one's better? From what I've done, they both hold their edge very well. So as a knife itself, the leatherman's chisel grain is optimised for right-handed users, whereas the spyderco is ground and beveled on both sides, which makes it ambidextrous. Its heat treatment, as I said, has caused this blade to hold its edge well. It'll still cut cigarette papers, as will this. Now, what makes the spyderco better? The blade length is identical. The cutting surface quite close, but I'd say spyderco just takes it. But what makes the spyderco better? For one, yeah, I just scratched my head with a knife in my hand, very silly. But for one, the spyderco has far better a grip. You have the chorls there for your two fingers, your thumb ramp, which makes it a lot easier to control. Yes, the leatherman's wider, but the anodized aluminium scales are as smooth as silk. The back is smooth, there's no real grip there. You've got no choils to assist you. You've got no ramp to choke up on, so if you have to choke up on it, you choke up on the blade itself. Now this is dangerous for another reason. When you choke up, you can push the blade down, break the detent. If you did that on the spyderco, your finger stops it with the rear of the blade, where it's unsharpened. Stops it snapping on your fingers. In my opinion, the spyderco is a better knife overall because one, it's ambidextrous, two, it's got a better grip, three, it's safer through the way how the chorls are set. However, that's not putting down the leatherman. It's a very good usable keyring knife. And what makes it good? The leatherman, unlike the spyderco, isn't just a knife. Like all leathermans, it has other features. The file, the screwdriver tip, which is listed as a flathead or Phillips screwdriver. In other words, it's small enough to fit in most Phillips slots. The scissors. Well, I can find where there it is. The scissors, which are spring loaded and will open quite wide. That's a useful feature of it. And the final feature is, of course, the tweezers, which can be useful for a lot of things. fine. I'll put them back in a moment because I've lost where they go. That's got it. So you have the extra tools. So as I've been doing, I've carried them both. As I showed in another video, I made a basic old shoelace survival bracelet for carrying the spyderco on my wrist as an last stitch backup. I also have, thanks to the deputy dog, what I'll be reviewing soon, my new Imperial Shade twin blade holder, which is also UK legal. So thanks for your time. If you're left-handed, go for the style for the tools. There's a couple of little tools, but if you're looking for a little pocket knife, something small you can fit on your keyring, I'd really recommend you consider the spyderco honeybee. It's cheaper and, in my opinion, it's a better knife. See you later, and thanks for your time.